Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a property for your Blogger site in Search Console. Choose URL prefix if you want precise control. Once created, verify ownership right away using the HTML meta tag or the DNS-TXT record. Pick the method you can access now. After verification, add any collaborators with the right permissions so changes aren't blocked. Make sure to keep your blog's canonical URL consistent. Inconsistent URLs create indexing delays and complicate later steps. Once verification is done, upload or enter your sitemap, XML, and watch the sitemap status. This tells Search Console what to crawl. Use the URL inspection tool for priority posts. Test live URL, review indexability, then request indexing when fixes are made. Regularly check the coverage report to identify errors vs warnings. Resolve errors like server 5xx or 9dex first. Also validate your robots, TXT, and structured data to ensure search bots can access and understand your content. To finish, connect Search Console to Google Analytics and enable email alerts so you're notified of new issues instantly. You should regularly review performance for queries, pages, CTR, and average position to guide content updates. Use mobile usability and core web vitals reports to prioritize fixes that improve rankings. If something goes wrong, like verification failing, recheck the exact meta tag or DNS record, clear caches, and rerun inspection. If coverage shows blocked pages, confirm robots, TXT, and meta tags to restore indexing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.